to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy, drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off.
Hey y'all, it's me, Slim, back with another video. So your girl is a senior. It literally makes me want to cry. The first thing we got to do is a hair appointment, you know, frontal install at 9 o'clock. Then I have my makeup appointment at 12:30, and then we have senior portraits at 2:45. So I'm pretty busy day, but we gonna get it together, and y'all gonna be my camera for the day. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 5K. We're almost there. For the people that's been with me since junior year watching my back to school videos, y'all game for real, and I love y'all. And let's get into the video. Who y'all know look cute in the park? Oh my god. Y'all, I'm getting my hair did. Do you want to say hey to the camera?
No, because this is my hair.
I forgot I didn't record the braid down, and neither did I record the other stuff, but
let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge, get coke seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. When she say she singing 3D, I go in the jungle and they got a coat, I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link, and in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of some carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the traffic. Strappy, nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't punch a dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the party. We get it. Bitch, it gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. Don't take. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god.
Pointers, all these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle.
well, y'all, we're done. And Maya did her thing. Yes. Hey y'all, here go the makeup. We looking real cute. Y'all, I don't be liking when I do my eyebrows, because I like when my eyebrows be looking how they do look. I like when I be having big old eyebrows.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping being hypnotized with her.
Hey y'all, so here go my makeup. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but this is my makeup. So it's 154. It's 154, y'all. I do not like getting my makeup did, but it's 154, and I got to basically change my clothes. So I'm about to put this pearl necklace on, and I'm gonna change my shirt and stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this pearl necklace on. And my mama gave me these dangling pearls. Michelle, why? But I'm going ahead and put this pearl necklace on. I'm gonna change my shirt. I'm keeping these bottoms on and everything. Like, I don't really care about all that.
Can you find the light? Do you feel alive?
Alright y'all, I'm back. I know I kind of look a mess, but we're about to take my clips out of my hair.
Both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. The feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I put it in a song.
So this is my curls, but they're not combed out, and we're gonna comb.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got at home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on the low. Look in my eyes.
Hey y'all, so I'm here about to take my pictures. I'm nervous because I don't got nobody in here with me. So I'm gonna just go in here by myself. And I'm nervous. Alright, I think I'm straight. Okay. Oh, that man is so fake. He told me I couldn't record, so I didn't even bring my camera in here. He told me I couldn't record because they don't do the whole social media thing. I don't give a crap about no social media thing. Let me record, but he didn't let me record, so he fake. But I'm just sitting here. This lady is forcing me to take full body pictures. Girl. Talia! Hey, you look pretty. Anyways, I got on this. Good thing I dressed up because she over here making me take these photos. I do not want to take them. But I think my senior portraits came out so cute, y'all. I'm not even playing. Like, I think they actually came out so good.
Remember that? And I know I've been the worst.
I just did 2 sets of photos and now I got one more. I'm tired.
Hey y'all.
How's it feel to be a senior? I don't want to be a senior, y'all. I want to be in this school time ready to go. But then maybe I would never leave. So, like, I just feel like I'm becoming an adult and it makes me want to cry. You know? I don't know. All my life. I'm just kidding, y'all. But I finished my pictures. Y'all. I was so tired, like, dead serious. But I'm finna go see my man. I miss him. I'm finna go see my man. Like, yeah. Real bad.
Kiss me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious.
To make an outro, but it's the next day and I'm at the gym, yeah, with my man. Man, say hey.
Hey. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Hey, let me. I can't have the tissue before you sneeze, you know. I can't vouch on that, just fake, you know. Yeah. I got a triple king bed and I don't mind sharing. I got a big G-Wagon, I don't mind sharing. We could get wild like Olivia, we could get stoned like Sharon. Rotate care, but they push me to the point where I'm just not caring. I'm just more ready.